dx by dt. A is the constant. That means what? T power 0, not T power 1, T power 0. So 0 will come from 0 into A, that also 0 only. 2bt, 2bt. Using the formula T power n equal to n into T power n minus 1. This is the formula. Okay, now what is the value of B? 2.5. 2.5, just apply the value. 2.5 into 2. 5 t meter per seconds. Velocity. Now time limit. Velocity at t 0 seconds, velocity at t 2 seconds. 0 seconds. 0 seconds means what is my velocity? It is also 0. Now this is the general formula. V is equal to 2bt. Velocity general formula. In this general formula, I am applying the value t equal to 0 second. Then v equal to 0 meter per seconds. Again t equal to 2 seconds from question. 2 seconds. 2 2s are 4. Again b value 2.5. Otherwise this one 5 t meter per seconds it is no. 5 2s are 10. 10 meter per second. This is the velocity. What is the velocity at t 0 seconds and t 2 seconds? Up to that we complete. Next question. What is the average velocity between t equal to 2 seconds, t equal to 4 seconds? T equal to 2 seconds and t equal to 4 seconds. Average velocity they are asking. Okay, in this condition, the time value. Okay, time value t 2, t2 value or t1, t2. Okay, ma. This is t1, this is t2. Now this condition I will take. This is t3, 2 seconds, t4, 4 seconds. Okay, the average velocity from question. Just apply the values. Average velocity from the different condition. It is no. What is the average velocity formula? V1 plus V2 divided by 2. It is a uniform velocity means. For in this question, they given only the t value. Another one, velocity value. We don't know the value of x. X means position value. We don't know that. So that x into t. This formula I'm writing ma xt minus t means t4 minus x t 3 divided by time difference t4 minus t2, t4 minus t2 difference. It is uniform means you can take directly. In this formula you want to use. I will show you this one, this formula. T4 value 4, T2, T3 value 2, T4 4, 2 from question. X into 4, x into 2. Now x value. What is the x value? A plus a plus bt squared is no. Now a b value 2.5 into t it is that is a 4. Kindly simplify the values ma. This step alone, again I will write 1 second. Apply the values instead of x, you will get a plus b t square into 4 minus plus bt square into 2 divided by 4 minus 2, 2 it is there. Otherwise, alternative method also there. In this method, we'll try V2 value 2bt it is there. 2bt. T value 2 seconds. Uh, 2 into 2.5 into 2. V2 value 10 meter per seconds. Next condition, V3 equal to 2bt. Now t value 4 seconds. We just verify which one is easy, we can follow that one. 2 into 2.5 into 4. 20 meter per second. Now time difference 4 and 4 seconds minus 2 seconds. That is the 2 seconds is the difference. So that V is equal to V2 plus V3 divided by 2. 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 30. 30 divided by 2 means you will get 15 meter per seconds. Equation number A. Okay, once we cross check whether it is okay or not, after we copy this one. Yeah, so the answer is 15 meter per seconds. Listen, Now they are asking average velocity. What is the average velocity between 2 seconds and 4 seconds? This is the question mark. For in these steps alone, we go for this method. It is easy for you. V2 formula, velocity formula 2bt. T value 2 seconds. B value 2.5. Okay, from question paper. 2 into 2.5, T value 2 seconds. Then you will get V2 value 10 meter per seconds. Clear. Next one, V3. 2bt is a general formula. T value 4 seconds. 2 into 2.5 into 4. Okay, then 20 meter per second. We know the value of V2 and V3. Now question, what is the average velocity? So average velocity means generally we should add no V1, V2 divided by 2. Like that, V2 value 10, V3 value 20. 10 plus 20, the time difference. Starting time 2 seconds, ending time 4 seconds. What is the interval? The interval is only 2. The 2 only I applied here. Okay, 10 plus 20 divided by 2 will get 15 meter per second. It is clear for you? Akash, Akshaya, Batri, Dhanush, Dhanusri, Tarun, Jagadeep, Roshan, Deenadarshini, Triloshan. Okay. Please take a notes. It will take more steps more. It is somewhat different. It is no need to go for this one. This is easy for. Okay. The next problem we'll discuss. Okay. Next problem. The displacement x of a particle varies with the time. X equal to 4t square minus 15t plus 25. Find the position, velocity, and acceleration of the particle t equal to 0 second. Find the position, velocity, acceleration of the particle at t equal to 0 second. X is in meter and t in seconds. Position, that is the x value. V, velocity, A, acceleration. 3 also you want to find. X means position, V is the velocity, A is the acceleration. Clear? The time value 0 seconds. First one, so this is the question, x value 4t square minus 15t plus 25. Okay. Now question, find the position. Position means that is the x value. Next velocity. Next acceleration from t value 0 seconds. T value 0 seconds. Now just apply the value of 0 for in this equation number 1. This is a general equation. The x value 4 into 0 minus 15 into 0 square plus 25. Then what is the position? It is 25 meter completed. Now velocity v equal to dx divided by dt. Now next step, d by dt, the value of x 4t square minus 15t plus 25. Differentiation formula, t power n equal to n into t power n minus 1. This is the formula. Always be remember this one. So now I'm going for direct. 4 2s are 8 t minus 15. Constant means you will get 0. Now apply the value of t equal to 0 seconds. It is not OS ma 0 seconds. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then 8 into 0 minus 15 v equal to minus 15 meter per seconds. Next condition, acceleration. So acceleration A is equal to dv divided by dt. dv divided by dt. d by dt. What is the v value? This is the v value. 8t minus 15. Okay. Using n formula, t power n equal to n into t power n minus 1. Only you will get 8. That's all. No need to apply the value of 0 seconds. 8 meter per second square. Equation number 2, equation number 3. Okay. Take a note, small. Please note the question first. The displacement x of the particle varies with the find the position, velocity, and the acceleration of the particle at t equal to 0 seconds. And x in meter, t in seconds. See the mark distribution. 3 mark question, no? 1 mark for the position, 1 mark velocity, 1 mark it is for acceleration. Okay. Okay. Based on integral calculation, the acceleration of a particle in meter per second minus 2 is given by the value of a 3t square plus 2t plus 2, where time t in seconds. If a particle starts with velocity v equal to 2 meter per seconds at t equal to 0 seconds, then find the velocity at the end of 2 seconds. Find the velocity at the end of 2 seconds. Okay. So before, for differentiation calculation, x, v, a. This is differentiation. Integral calculation, integration, that is v, x. Now you feel somewhat difficult only, ma. I can understand, but it is easy only. You don't worry. We'll discuss so many problems, different category it is there. Then you get some idea. Okay, this is physics. This like we want to try like that. Maximum, I am giving so many problems in different pattern also. Already I said we are not focusing on board exam. We are focusing board exam as well as competitive exam. In class 11th syllabus, compulsory 45 to 50% syllabus they are asking for all the competitive NEET exam, JEE exam, and the central universities exam, SRM, VIT, Karpagam, any other universities also. Now you are writing any entrance, compulsory class 11th syllabus, class 12th syllabus, it is important. Listen the class. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Maximum, we are sharing the notes. Once that one area completed means I am sharing the notes. Then you feel you can select the question and read. It is easy for you. Before that, you are taking notes means it is not good. So only once lesson that track over. Now we almost completed. In this track over, now I'll prepare the notes. Different notes it is there. NCERT book and that objective modern ABC, ASVOL, and a numerical problem. Some other notes also there. 5 different type of notes it is there. In this 5, which is easy for you, that one you follow. And the classwork notes, it is important. Last class I saw on some students classwork. The remainder students classwork today I will verify. Okay, listen. A value 3t square plus 2t plus 2. Integration formula. Integral dv, it is equal to integral a dt. That is integral a equal to dv by dt. Now value of a 3t square plus 2t plus 2. What is the formula? T power n. It is equal to t power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Just apply the values. This is the symbol of integration, ma. Integral, nothing. Integral symbol. Just a rewrite. dv equal to a dt. Applying the integral, that is the limit based on a 3t square plus 2t plus 2, 3t square 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 2t. 2t already 1 it is a 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus no space ma, so that I am writing up 2 it is a 2 means what? T power 0. T power 0. Now you write 2 t power 0 plus 1 1 divided by 1 plus c. C is the integration constant. One second. What is the formula? Acceleration A is equal to dv by dt. Then dv equal to A into dt. This is integral calculation. Integral dv integral A dt. Formula t power n equal to t power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Plus C. A value 3 t square plus 1 2t plus 1 plus 2t power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus actually t power 0 it is there. Anything power 0 the value is 1. 2 into t power 0 plus 1 I write directly 1 divided by 1 plus 0 1 plus C. C is the integration constant. Next step 3t square plus 1 that is 3t cube divided by 3 plus 2t square divided by 2 plus 2t plus C. Now 2 cancel, 3 cancel. Finally, you will get t cube plus t square plus 2t plus C. So this is the V formula. V is equal to t cube plus t square plus 2t plus C. I can refer the question. If the particle start from with a velocity v equal to 2 meter per seconds at t equal to 0 seconds. Start with a velocity 2 meter per second at t equal to 0 second and final velocity at the end of 2 seconds. Final velocity at the end of 2 seconds. Okay. T value 0, velocity 2 meter per seconds. V value 2, t cube 0, t square also 0, 2t also 0. Then only C value. C equal to 2. Okay. Again, find the velocity t equal to 2 seconds. No, v equal to 2 into cube. Find the velocity t equal to 2 seconds. This format we are doing. t value 2 power 3 plus 2 into 2, that is the power 2, plus 2 into t value also 2, plus c value 2. What is the value? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, plus 2, 18. So V equal to 18 meter per seconds. Listen, everyone listen. Just to refer the question. The acceleration of a particle is given by a value 3t square plus 2t plus 2, where time t is in seconds. If the particle start with velocity 2 meter per second at t equal to 0. Find the velocity at the end of 2 seconds. Find the velocity at the end of 2 seconds. Okay, question it is clear. Now we'll try. Acceleration formula A is equal to dv by dt, and integration dv equal to integration A dt. I'm applying the A value with respect, I'm integrating respect to t. 3t 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 2t 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 2t 1 divided by 1 plus c. C means integration constant. 3 cancel, 2 cancel, 2t plus c. V equal to t cube plus t square plus 2t plus c. This is a general formula for velocity. After integration, you will get in this formula. Now, I am applying the condition. Velocity 2 meter per second, the time value 0. Velocity 2 meter per second, time value 0. From question, just to refer the question here. Velocity 2 meter per second at t equal to 0. Okay. Now 0 means 0, 0, 0. C. The value of C equal to 2. Next step, at the end of 2 seconds, what is the velocity? V equal to general formula t cube. T value 2. 2 cube plus 2 into square plus 2t. 2 into t value also 2. C value also 2. Just to do the max calculation. Finally, velocity equal to 18 meter per seconds. This is integral method. Acceleration to velocity, velocity to position. That is a displacement or distance. Okay, take a notes. In this week, test portion, chapter number 2, unit and measurement. That is a theoretical test. MCQ test, vectors and scalar. Vectors and scalar, MCQ test. Just to revise the syllabus, it is enough. You will get good mark. What is a scalar? What is vector? Types of vector, types of example of vectors, example of scalars. Next, formula, dot product, cross product, cross product relevant formula, resultant vector formula, r equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So in this formula, just to revise and ready for test. Once lesson complete, also we'll take a previous chapter. Simultaneously, we'll revise previous chapter also. Otherwise, you will forget the chapter. Next time, I will ask any question. You will say, I don't know, sir. Is problem completed? Will we go next page? Okay. Now we'll check the classwork. Completed students. Chapter number 2 alone, you can show me. Just you are following classwork note or not? I'm taking
So those
name.
last time also, sir.
Ah, yes, ma, yes, ma.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. I have named this. 1 second. Yeah. Akshaya, Paranis, Akash, Joshua, Leo, Appi, Grisurya, Naresh, Pavi Pratap, Divya R, Niranjan, Tikshana, Tarun, Sanjit, Akshara, Jagadeep. Kindly switch on the camera. Other students also show yours classwork. Once again, ma. Navajeevan, Taranesh, Navajeevan. 1 minute, I will take a note. Leo, thank you, ma. No need. You self switch off the camera, ma. Then Abhirakshaya. Abhirakshaya, thank you, ma. Vishwaharini. 1 second. Vishwaharini. Vishwaharini. Akshaya K. Vishwaharini, thank you, ma. Akshaya K, thank you. Tanu Sriya, Danu Yesa. Tanu, yes, thank you. Dharanis, thank you. Kirubasri, thank you, ma. Kirubasri. Akash, thank you. Navajeevan, thank you. Today date June 24. Tarun, thank you, Tarun. Pavi Pratap, thank you. Others? Udaya Kumar, Vardin. Kamesh, yeah. Karen Kamesh. Kamesh, thank you. Vardin, thank you. Deekshana Sri. Any others? Triloshan, Sri Hari, Rakesh, Badri. Muhammad, Kale side. Yeah, Dikshana Sri. Next page, ma. Okay. Thank you, ma. Dikshana, thank you. Okay. Naresh. Career Naresh. Next page, ma. Okay, Naresh. Thank you, Naresh. Good. Keep do it. So others also try to show me, ma. Till now, I received 25 students' name. Around 70 students mean 45 students. Sanjay, G, Deena Darshini, Ninian, Uday Kumar, Shiva Rajavel, Subhasri, Selvamani, Sankar. Give me reply, my yes or no. So tomorrow I will show. Next time I will show. Like that, get permission.